In a world built on roads and rails, America now faces a new horizon. The sky opens.
A ring of pure energy, woven from science once thought impossible. Not a machine, but a passage. A gear.
Step inside, and the laws of distance collapse. Streets become seconds. Continents fall within. The tech portal is not just invention, it is revolution. A passage carved into the fabric of reality.
Join us as we step through tomorrow. Subscribe now to FutureTech and to the breakthrough shaping the world.
Inside America's most guarded laboratories, the impossible is engineered into reality. Here, the tech portal is born.
Engineers align every circuit, calibrating energy with surgical precision.
And then, the silence breaks. The portal awakens.
A simple probe takes the first step where no human has stood. Matter itself dissolves into the unknown. And then, it returns, marked not by fiction, but by distance crossed. A larger subject enters the gate. Machines built to roam Earth now dare to test the limits of worlds unseen.
Gone in one instant, reborn in another. Across deserts
And then, it returns, untouched, unharmed. Proof that the tech portal is not a...
The moment of truth approaches. For the first time, life itself is trusted to the portal's embrace. And with a single step, history changes. A living heartbeat crosses the threshold, carrying all of humanity's hopes into the unknown. And then, life emerges whole. Across endless miles, untouched and unbroken. It returns, full of life, unchanged. In this moment, doubt dissolves.
In healthcare, every second decides life or death. With the tech portal, emergency response
Endless. Inside, doctors are empowered with tools once imagined in science fiction. Holographic diagnostic. While streets remain locked in chaos, the ambulance answers only to the open sky. Minutes once lost to traffic are reclaimed, turning the impossible into survival. From city streets to rooftop pads, the journey is seamless. The tech portal ensures not just speed, but
From saving lives to protecting them, the portal becomes more than medicine. It becomes a shield or a sword for...
In law enforcement, the tech portal changes pursuit forever. Crime that once outran wheels will find no...
Officers now patrol not just with vehicles, but with vision. Holographic intelligence mapping every corner,
Chases no longer end in endless streets. With the portal, pursuit becomes prediction. Officers appear not behind.
where once there was escape, now there is inevitability. Technology closes the gap, transforming pursuit. From justice to protection, the portal serves not only the law, but life itself. And when fire threatens the city,
when disaster strikes, seconds decide survival. With the tech portal, firefighters break the barrier of time. Armed with holographic eyes and instant gateways, firefighters no longer climb endless stairs.
Where once escape was cut off by flame, now a doorway opens in the smoke. Lives are
with portals, water does not climb floors. It arrives exactly where it's needed. No ladder, no delay.
From chaos to calm, the portal transforms disaster into deliverance. And as dawn rises, once, travel demanded days of waiting, hours of flight, and oceans of distance. Now, the world from canyon to coast, America itself becomes connected, its landmarks no longer bound by miles, but joined by moments. Beyond borders, the tech portal transforms oceans into doorways. Yesterday's world tour took years. Today, it takes seconds. Vacations no longer begin at airports, but at your doorstep. With the portal, paradise is not a flight away. It's a step into the sun. From one marvel to the next, the tech portal binds the globe into a single horizon. Adventure is no longer a journey. Commerce no longer crawls across oceans. With the tech portal, goods that once took weeks to arrive now cross the Pacific in the blink of an eye.
Warehouses once bound by walls now stretch across continents. Artificial intelligence and portals fuse together.
Online orders no longer wait on trucks or planes. With the tech portal, the moment you buy is the moment it arrives, turning patience into...
A local craft once confined to one town can now sing across the globe. With the tech portal,
From families to farmers, from shops to skyscrapers, commerce is transformed. Yet the portal does not serve. In defense, distance is no longer a barrier. With the tech portal, American forces can stand anywhere. Deployment no longer means days of waiting or oceans to cross. The portal moves soldiers as swiftly as thought itself.
Steel once chained to convoys and ships now answers instantly to command. With the portal, America's strength moves not by miles, but by moments.
Air power no longer warns with distance. Through the portal, American jets arrive like thunder.
Power protects, but knowledge builds. Beyond the battlefield, the tech portal opens a frontier of learning where education no longer stops at walls or borders. With the tech portal, a classroom in America affects. Distance no longer divides teacher from student. The portal turns every hall into a global classroom. Experiments once limited to one place now span continents. The tech portal unites young minds in discovery.
Field trips no longer demand oceans of travel. The portal carries students from forests to deserts.
From classrooms to continents, the portal has made Earth a single school. But knowledge does not.
Space once demanded fire, fuel, and sacrifice. Now, the tech portal carries us past where once it took days of perilous travel, humanity now steps onto the moon in moments. Beyond the moon lies Mars, once a dream of centuries, now a destination of minutes. With each step, the impossible becomes permanent. Through the portal, humanity plants not just flags, but
From the gas giants to worlds beyond our sun, the tech portal opens not just one door.
from boardrooms to backyards, from farms to families, the tech portal has become part of daily life. With such power comes responsibility. America guards the portal with vigilance, ensuring its light is
The portal serves humanity, but its power must be guided. Laws and ethics form the compass, ensuring that wonder never outruns wisdom.
Beyond commerce, beyond power, the portal serves the heart. It brings families together. Medicine, justice, safety, adventure, commerce, defense, knowledge, exploration, love, the tech portal persists. Across America, the portal rises not as a machine, but as a monument. A new era dawns that closest. Not only in America, but across every nation, the portal becomes a bridge of unity. The globe itself is...
Through the portal, humanity no longer meets as strangers, but as neighbors. Traditions cross oceans.
In art and music, the portal unites not just stays, but souls.
In sport, the portal erases borders. One field becomes many. One game becomes global. Festivals, once divided by oceans, now flow together. The portal weaves colors, music, and traditions. In crisis, distance once meant despair. Now, the portal delivers hope at the speed of... The portal cleanses more than distance. It carries waste to renewal, turning pollution into promise, and giving Earth the second chance it deserves.
With the portal, sunlight in one land can illuminate another. Clean power flows freely across the...
The story of tomorrow has only begun. From the streets of America to the stars above, step with us into tomorrow. Subscribe to FutureTech Frontier and never miss the breakthroughs that will change the world.
100 visions, one future.
This is FutureTech Frontier. Subscribe today and step with us into the future. one breakthrough at a time. The world has changed. The future has opened. And the journey through the portal has only just begun. In medicine, in justice, in discovery, in unity, the portal is everywhere. In medicine, in justice, in discovery, in unity, the portal is everywhere.